What's the meaning of confirmation? Confirmation. Confirmation.
Confirmation. Confirmation. Confirmation refers to the act of verifying or validating something, such as a statement, belief, or action. It provides certainty and assurance that something is accurate, true, or complete. Confirmation can take many forms, including documentation, witness testimony, or physical evidence. The result of confirmation is increased confidence and trust in the information or action being confirmed. It helps to eliminate doubt and uncertainty, ensuring that decisions are well-informed and based on reliable information. Overall, confirmation is a crucial element in many areas of life, including science, law, business, and personal relationships.